Hey guys, what's going on? So, as you can see in the screen right here, we got a meal replacement shake. It's a new one, strawberries and cream, that I have not tried, so I'm going to try it for the first time on video. I really love these things. I've done a review over the French vanilla and the milk chocolate before. The French vanilla so far is my favorite, but the milk chocolate is amazing too. It's like the closest thing you can get to chocolate milk, but it's actually a lot healthier and has a lot more nutrients and vitamins and things that are essential to your health, alright? So, why am I so big on these? I mean, I've gotten comments, saying, well, they're just processed, so they're not really that good for you. Well, if you're used to eating and snacking on bad foods, this is a great, trade for that. If you're used to going, to the store and getting a bag of chips or a large Coke, or if you're used to go to McDonald's and getting a large fry for a snack when you're hungry, Taco Bell, grab a couple tacos. And I'm making people hungry right now saying all these things. I'm kind of being counterproductive. But instead of grabbing something like that, get one of these. They're sweet. They have a little bit of sugar in it, but it also fixes that sweet tooth, and it's actually really good for you. It's better to do that kind of stuff than, to drink these kind of things and actually go out and have those horrible snacks, all right? So I want to get right into this, guys, before I try it. This is going to have 10 grams of protein per serving, which is really good, 190 calories per serving, so it's low in calories. Think about how many calories you're going to eat with those large fries, all right? One soda, just a small soda, is 250 calories, okay? So think about that. 250 calories. This has 60 less calories, but it's giving you the protein. It also contains 24 vitamins and minerals per serving. Also gives you a bonus here, 5 grams of fiber per serving, which is great. It's ready to drink. Keep them refrigerated, okay? And you want to shake them up before you drink them, all right? And it's 11 fluid ounces, okay? And it only contains 6 grams of total fat per serving. Go ahead and get me a little drink. Shake it up. It has a little, little full top thing to ensure it stays fresh. I'm not huge on strawberry in general, but I thought I'd give it a try. Maybe it'll taste like a milkshake or something. Oh, it's really good. It reminds me of the strawberries and cream oatmeal, honestly. Definitely can taste that. Or kind of like a strawberry milkshake. Yeah, it's really good. It's really freaking smooth. I really enjoy that. So I'm probably going to buy some of these also and mix it in with my French vanillas. And I'll always keep a few chocolates in there. I stock up on these because I'm just saying it is way better to have something like this than to have an unhealthy snack. Alright? And if you want to have one of these for breakfast, instead of having like eggs and bacon or something like that, that's whenever I feel like a meal replacement would come in handy. Or if you eat something with this for like lunch, okay? Say you have this and then a small salad with some light dressing or something with a little bit of grilled chicken in there. This is awesome. It's going to make up the nutrients. And also, it's a fluid, so it's easier to digest. It's easier on your stomach. So I'm going to look at the back here and read you some of these nutrition facts. So stick with me here. 1 serving per container, so the serving size is just 1 bottle. Like I said, 190 calories, only 6 grams of fat. That's only 8% of your daily value, okay? 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat. That's great news. Only 2% of your daily value in cholesterol, so that's just 5 milligrams, okay? 200 milligrams of sodium, 9%. That's not bad for something like this, honestly. That's not that bad in sodium. Total carbs, okay? This is where you start getting worried, all right? 24 grams, 9%, but that's not bad. That's only 9% of your daily value. It doesn't have a lot of carbs in here. It has just enough to give you energy, all right? Dietary fiber, like I said, 5 grams. That's 18% of your daily value. That's pretty good. Total sugars, 19 grams, and it includes 4 grams of added sugars. That's going to be 8% of your daily value, so it's got some sugar in there. Not too much, so that's not bad. Protein, like I said, 10 grams, 20%. Now listen to all these vitamins that it has in here, okay? This is like taking a multivitamin that tastes amazing, and it can fill you up more than a multivitamin. So check this out, okay? Vitamin D, 30% of your daily value. Iron 3, iron 3 milligrams for 15% of your daily value. Vitamin A, 35%. Vitamin E, 6%. Thiamine, 35%. Niacin, 80%. Folate, 4%, biotin, 35%, phosphorus, 50%, zinc, 25%, manganese, 35%, molybdenum 40%, calcium 40%, sorry if I mispronounced that, potassium 15%, vitamin C 100% of your vitamin C, and vitamin C is really freaking awesome for weight loss, for improving your immune system, so that's great news right there. Vitamin K 40%, riboflavin 50%, vitamin B6, another good vitamin, 60%, all right. Vitamin B12, that's great for some of the people that are actually having problems with stress and anxiety. Vitamin B12 is something that you need, so just keep that in mind. 35%. Pantothenic acid, 40%. Magnesium, 40%. Selenium, 50%. Chromium, 35%. All right. So it says instructions: shake well, serve chilled, or you can actually serve it over ice. I've never actually done that. Seemed kind of weird to me, but who knows, you know. Refrigerate after opening to maintain. Product safety: do not consume if full seal is broken or missing. So don't be, don't let this sit out in the sun and then put it in the refrigerator. Keep it room temperature until you decide to chill them out, okay? And it says to serve with ice. I bet if you throw one of these in a blender with some ice and make it into like a frothy, like smoothie, milkshakey kind of thing, I bet you it would taste amazing, okay? So anyways, just another one of these things that you can have that, I did a review over the French vanilla and milk chocolate. I'm going to put links to these on my end screen, so if you want to check those out, be sure to go check those out and see if you like the way that that actually looks and sounds to you more so than strawberries and cream. I will be putting a link down below in the description so you can actually go check these out along with some other variations of the different flavors and see if getting a case for these is actually cool for you. You can actually get them right off of Amazon, so something that you might want to try out. I will have that in the description down below. Join my Facebook group, guys. That's another place where you can get my videos. It's going to be a place where you can discuss all your issues with diet, nutrition, stress, anxiety, addictions, okay? All that's going to be there, okay? I got 7 members in there. I really want to get more. I really would like to build that over 100 members. That's my first goal. All right, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. That's also down below. And if you need to email me for any reason, my email is down there. Full packet just flew across the porch there. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, all right, if you haven't, and hit that notification bell if you already are subscribed. That way you can get updates whenever I have my videos out. Like this video, guys, for a good review, and leave me a comment down below if you have ever had these or if the thought of strawberries and cream milkshakey goodness sound good to you whenever you're trying to lose weight. Thanks, guys, for watching. I hope you all have a great evening.